Here is 2 divide 3x minus 2 will not change anything, minus 5 divide 9x square minus 4, we can write this one. So 2 3x minus 2 minus 5, this one we can make it side note, 9x square minus 4, it means 3x square minus 2 square. So it's looking a square minus b square, we can write 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 2. So here is 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 2, okay, and here is minus x divide 3x plus 2, okay. Now look, our target, these fractions make a single denominator. So here is 3x minus 2, 3x plus 2, again 3x minus 2 and 3x plus 2. So we make it as LCM. So LCM is 3x minus 2 and 3x plus 2. So here is 3x minus 2 will be out. So 2 times 3x plus 2 minus 5, because here is 3x plus 2 and 3x minus 2 will be divided by 3x minus 2 and 3x plus 2. So again here is minus x and here is 3x minus 2, okay. Now look, here is 3x minus 2, then 3x plus 2, and here we can write 6x plus 4 minus 5 minus 3x square minus 2x. 2x not, it will be plus 2x, right, because minus and minus will become plus, okay. Then here is minus 3x square, then what will come? Here is 6x plus 2x, we can write 8x, and then minus 1, and here is 3x minus 2 divide 3x plus 2, but it's not looking so nice. Two things here is, one is we should out this minus, because every algebraic expression has a decoration. So minus is not looking so good, so we can take common minus. So here is 3x square minus 8x plus 1, okay. And then here is 3x minus 2 and 3x plus 2, this one also we can take common minus, so it will become 2 minus 3x, and similar we can write this one 2 plus 3x, and we can out this minus, right. So our answer is 3x square minus 8x plus 1 divide 2 minus 3x times 2 plus 3x. Our question, why we are not complete this one? We cannot factorize this one because here is 3 and times 1 it will become 3. We cannot make it 8. So we can just keep this one in here, and it's looking a single denominator. Thank you very much being with me. This home of math we've already did around 15 plus math about a single denominator. In playlist you should check this one. Here you also get lots of factorization problems. Thank you.